Hey everyone, today we have All India Rank 66 of NEET UG 2025, Devyansh Arora with us. Devyansh, how does it feel?
It feels quite awesome. I'm overwhelmed and delighted that I have achieved this rank. And initially, I was a bit surprised, but then the excitement took over, and now it's just on the top of the world. I'm feeling like I'm right up there, and yeah, it's a heavily joyous feeling.
To gain this feeling, you must have undergone a lot of preparation, right? So please tell us about your preparation strategy.
Throughout these 2 years while preparing for NEET exam, it was a quite long and quite tough journey. There were a lot of hurdles which I had to overcome, a lot of challenges which I had to face. And in the end, I used to remind myself that at the end of these 2 years, I shall have my reward, and I used to work hard for that reward.
So now you have the reward. How do you want to celebrate your success?
Just be with my family and my friends. That is the best celebration I could ask for after this result. And just the support they have given me over the years, and even in this celebration, the support they have provided me, celebrated with me, and held me throughout this journey. It has been a wonderful experience to be with them and celebrate with this.
And it is your hard work that has gotten you such an incredible rank, right?
Thank you.
Yeah. Please tell us about the subjects. Which subject did you like the most?
I used to love physics in
You
the
used to
beginning.
love physics.
I found it challenging, which made me want to practice it more and practice difficult questions so I can improve my understanding of the subject.
And I think he has gotten the result by being consistent. So guys, this was All India Rank 66 and you are watching Narayana Educational Institutions.